This is one that the fans are definitely enjoying here this evening.
There's a knockdown punch, and now there's smells blood. Arturo is doing anything he can. Finish him. Knockdown for this, and Luano is in rough shape.
Matapos malasap ng Pinoy na tubong kapatagan binggit na si Alvin Tam alias Babyface Assassin, ang dalawang sunod-sunod na pagkatalo sa bansang Canada ay di pa din umayaw itong ating bida. 3 buwan lang ang lumipas, January 27, 2018, ay muling nagbalik si Kabayan sa Canada para kasahan itong Mexican boxer na si Arturo Garcia Lojano para sa 6 rounds non-title fight. Gustong subukan ulit kung andon pa din ba ang husay at lakas ng isang Igorot boxer. Mas matangkad itong Mexicanong kalaban pero sa mismong bakbakan ay nilapa lang ito ng Igorot boxer na ating pambato.
And you hear now.
Round 1, birada agad ang dalawa. Malulutong na suntok ang pinapatama.
Someone who gets in punches, he gets inside. Very similar stature to Jesus. He was in the Nakata ring. That's the style of Alvin Tam.
Good crisp jab by Alvin Tam.
Whoa, side wants to.
Against Jesus Perez. Jesus really.
Well, the playbook is there.
Oh, he was dodging that punch. He was not in a position. Bro had his hands down.
See the outside movement, trying to.
Good body shot exchange by both fighters. Alvin.
Chris jab, and again.
This is not something where these are gas.
Nakanganga na agad itong Mexican kahit round 1 pa lang. Round 2, mas agresibo pa din si Kabayan. Mas umaabante at mas nakakatama ng solido at klaro. Bodega madalas ang punteriya ng ating bida.
Corner of Alvin Tam and
Trying to get under his skin. Alvin cutting down the distance.
coming here from Alvin Tam, trying to close.
Trash talking when they're out, but when they're in there, usually
Not pulling the trigger right now is Alvin Tam. He's getting in position, but isn't throwing them. And you hear Doug Harder is just.
Tam does not want to get caught. I mean, I think that's his biggest fear is getting caught, not because of the pain. Huge swing and a miss by 165 pounders. I mean, it's incredible to. Arturo.
Round 3, tuloy pa din ang laban. Dominado pa din ni Kabayan ang bakbakan. Bagamat mas makamay si Alvin Tam, ay sumasabay pa din sa suntukan itong Mexican. Yumayakap na lang itong Mexicano. Wala nang lakas mula sa mga haribas ng ating pambato.
And that's going to leave some. There's a big right. And Alvin Tam is just coming forward. There's a nice combination. He's landing now, throwing a left hand, landing with the right. Alvin
In rhythm. Arturo doing what he can to tie him up. That's going to be ruled a slip. That is not a knockdown. Joel Scope. Alvin, he's coming through. As long as he's within his.
is where he does his best work.
Now, Arturo looked like he was a bit wobbly there. Was that awesome or was that true?
Well, it wouldn't.
Round 4, nakaamoy na ng panalo ang ating bida. Kaya mas naging agresibo pa ito. Mga solidong kamao ang pinapakain sa kalaban. Gusto na agad tapusin ni Alvin Tam itong kalabang Mexican.
Vicious left hands coming from Alvin Tam. He's landing with the hooks.
Supporting their fighters and their champions.
That's a vicious left hand. That is a left hand, and I believe that Lorano is not.
Punches are becoming much more wild.
There's a right hand.
That's that uppercut. He is in trouble. Alvin Tam smells blood. Arturo is doing anything he can to stay on his feet.
Alvin Tam is now throwing with mean intent, trying to land, and he's throwing punches. He's for keeping the space, and Luano is down. The first knockdown of this, and Luano is in rough shape.
He is in trouble. I do not know if he knows where he is right now. 8-9 count. Here we go.
But if he doesn't get those hands up, Alvin Tam is going to get all over him, and that's an excellent call by Joel.
Lupaypay ang inabot ng kalaban mula sa sunod-sunod na kamao na pinakain ni Kabayan. Panalo ang Igorot boxer via 4th round knockout. Isang taon lang ang lumipas, January 19, 2019, ay napalaban na naman sa bansang Canada itong pambato nating Igorot boxer na si Alvin Tam. Kontra ito sa isang Mexicano ulit na si Rutilio Romero para sa 6 rounds non-title fight. Mas matangkad at maangas itong kalabang Mexican. May kakaiba pa itong estilo. pero di ito inatrasan ni Kabayan. Sinabayan ang tibay ng kalabang Mexican. Round 1 bakbakan na agad. Pinagsaluhan agad ng dalawa ang mga kombinasyong binibitawan nila.
To the Philippines, a fighter who is no stranger in there, take punishment and give as much back. So,
Of course, the pedigree of Alvin Tam, Asian Boxing Council Continental in his last fight, and now looking to forth another big winning streak, and he will do so if he continues to punch like that. Lots of power coming from Alvin Tam.
Tam may not continue to press forward, but I hope Portillo
In tight, eating some shots from Romero to get one in return.
every single punch. Great left by Alvin Tam, landed. Great body shot, combination by Alvin Tam.
Round 2, tuloy ang suntukan. Parehong palaban. Di nagpapalugi sa mga patama. Parehong malulutong na mga kombinasyon ang binibitawan.
As we mentioned before in the second.
Right hand that comes from Alvin Tam, and a big power punch left that misses. Now an inside body. Sold out here at the Deerfoot. Left hand after a return, after a left body shot. Romero has fought both as a southpaw and an orthodox. He will switch it up. Glancing blows off the top, Pam's head, and that one hit the hip.
Beautiful. You hear the cheers from the fans in this sold-out crowd.
Close to being low.
Something we love to hear and see.
I won't give you the Tagalog translation of that one.
When Alvin, come on, bring it on. Anti-social call for him. Romero.
There's a right hand that lands from Romero, and that stunned Alvin Tam very briefly.
Romero's got to be careful not to drop that head. He's gonna get warned by anti-social.
Round 3, mas matitindi at mas mabibigat na mga suntok pa ang pinapakawalan ng dalawa. Parehong gigil, natapusin ang bakbakan nila.
Right hand that lands, and some return combination.
And when he comes in hard with the swooping.
Alvin Tam has a very tough chin as well, coming from his hips.
May have been an accidental touch, calling for that touch of the gloves. Romero turning it off again.
Right hand pretty effectively in this round.
Good head movement by Alvin Tam. You heard that one. Oh, huge shots landed by Alvin Tam. Assault.
There's a right hand and a second right hand that lands from Romero. Tam throws back. Romero again with a right hand. He's landed 3 good right hands in a short
Time. Man, this is a close one.
punch. Lands to the body. A return from the head from the opponent on either side.
Our closest contest so far tonight. Both fighters.
And by giving them an indication, there's a right hand that rocks Romero. I've never understood it.
To me, I agree with you. It's acknowledging the shot to the judges, and although there may be some
Round 4, tuloy pa din ang laban. Matinding palitan agad ng mga kombinasyon ang ginawa ng dalawa.
And that lands, nice setup by Tam. Good return by Romero, and then a right hand by Alvin Tam. There's a good left hand from Romero, returned by 3. Good.
Pero sa sobrang kumpiyansa nitong Mexicanong kalaban, ay dito na siya tinapos ni Kabayan.
fans are definitely enjoying here this evening.
Oh, there's a knockdown punch, and that is a massive shot by Alvin Tam. He caught Romero. Andy Social's going to have a look at him.
Oh, he is rocked. Anti-social's trying to make sure.
No, and that's it.
That's it. When you walk the other direction.
4th round knockout ulit ang nakuha ng pambato ng mga Igorot.
Alvin Babyface